I'm going to show you how to use a free teleprompter in CapCut. You can add scripts, read them out to yourself, set the timings, you can set background filters. There's a lot of features in here, great and easy to use. In CapCut, you go to up to the top and then go to expand. Then you click on prompter. You can add sound at the top. You can flip from the back or front of your device, add scripts there and add filters. So I've clicked on the script icon and I can type in whatever I want. Then when ready I can click on done. It's down there, you've got the playback time in seconds. So it's giving you a countdown to get ready, clear your voice. Then you can read out exactly what it says, and here's the playback.
Hi, my name is John.
So then you can export it by clicking on the button down below, and you can view it in your own project.
Hi, my name.
So I've added it to the timeline there. So you can subscribe, that's the next process. Then the next process is to watch more videos.